In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Make. By the end, you'll have a working connection between your Google account and Make so you can search your forms and use them in automations. Start by opening your Make dashboard. This is where all your automations, called scenarios, live. We're going to create a fresh scenario so the connection is clean and easy to follow. Click Create Scenario. You'll see an empty canvas with a prompt to choose your first app. In the app search bar, type Google Forms. This narrows the list of available modules. Select Google Forms from the results. Make will now ask which Google Forms operation you want to use as your starting point. Choose Search Forms. This is a simple, reliable module that confirms your connection and lets you find the forms you need by name or other criteria. Because this is your first time using Google Forms in this scenario, you'll need to add a connection. In the connection field, click Add. A new window will open asking you to sign in. Click Sign In with Google. Choose the Google account that owns or has access to the forms you want to automate. If you're managing multiple accounts, double-check you're selecting the right one to avoid permission issues later. You'll see Google's consent screens next. Click Continue to grant. Make the access it needs to find your forms and work with Drive. These permissions enable Make to securely read your forms list and, depending on future modules you add, perform related actions. If your organization uses extra security checks, follow those prompts, then continue. Once the connection is authorized, you'll be returned to Make with your new connection selected. Now configure the Search Forms module. Use the available fields to define how you want Make to find your form, for example by keywords in the title or other search parameters. Keep your query specific to reduce results, especially if you have many forms. If you store forms in shared drives, ensure your account has access, otherwise they won't appear. When your settings look good, click Save. Saving confirms both your connection and your module configuration so you can build the rest of your scenario later. At this point, your Google Forms app is successfully connected to Make, and you're ready to chain additional modules, map data, and turn this into a full workflow whenever you're ready. That's it for connecting Google Forms to Make. If you found this helpful, you can now reuse the same connection in any scenario, keeping your setup